Introducing the Magic Chef Countertop Dishwasher. This compact dishwasher provides all the convenience of a full-size dishwasher for cleaning your dishes. It features enough space to accommodate 6 standard place settings, making it perfect for singles, couples, apartments or the office kitchen. Now let's see the features of the Magic Chef Countertop Dishwasher. Easy-to-use electronic controls with push-button functions. 5 preset wash cycle options. Stainless steel interior includes a cutlery basket and cup rack. Hygienic drying system avoids using outside air. Anti-flood device provides protection. Automatic detergent and rinse aid dispenser. Holds up to 6 place settings. Flow meter water sensor. And easy-to-clean filter. What are customers saying about the Magic Chef Countertop Dishwasher? Check out the customer reviews now at bestbuydishwasher.com.